Active versus passive voice. Finding your style in social science writing. Hey learners! Today, we're diving into a pivotal aspect of writing in the social sciences, the choice between active and passive voice. Understanding the nuances of these voices will not only improve your academic writing but also make your arguments more compelling. Let's get started. In the active voice, the subject of the sentence performs the action. It often gives a sense of clarity, directness, and responsibility in the statement. Here's a simple example. The researcher conducted the survey. In this sentence, the researcher is the subject, and they are the one performing the action, which is conducted. In contrast, the passive voice emphasizes the action itself or the receiver of the action rather than who performed it. Here's how our previous example would look in the passive voice. The survey was conducted by the researcher. Notice that the focus shifts to the survey, and the doer of the action, the researcher, becomes secondary. Both voices have their place in academic writing, especially in the social sciences. Here's a breakdown. 1. Active voice. 2. Use when you want to be clear and direct. 3. It's especially helpful when assigning responsibility or identifying methodology. 4. E.g., the team analyzed the data using SPSS. 5. Passive voice. 6. Use when you want to emphasize the result, finding, or the object of the study over the performer. 7. Common in cases where the doer is unknown or irrelevant. 8. E.g., it was found that urban settings influenced behavioral patterns. The choice between active and passive voice isn't just grammatical. It's also about conveying authority, responsibility, and clarity. In the social sciences, where subjectivity and objectivity frequently clash, using active voice can assert authority and responsibility. Passive voice can provide a sense of objectivity, focusing on results or phenomena rather than the researchers. And there you have it. The active versus passive voice debate is more than just a stylistic choice. It's a tool to convey meaning, responsibility, and authority in your social science writing. We hope this insight helps you craft even more compelling academic papers. Keep writing, and see you in the next lesson.